What do I have in a box, baby? Hello, it's... Hey everybody, this is Ewa App Channel and my name is Diane, and today I'd like to discuss the prepositions of place with you. So, if you're interested, what's the magic box next to me here on the table? Just keep on watching. So today, we're gonna talk about the prepositions of place. And I just decided not to talk about it like in expressions, but to show you with the magic box. So, what do we have in the box? What do I have in a box? What do I have in a box, baby? Hello, it's Jamie Lannister's hand. Ta-da! Okay, so right now, the hand is in the box. The hand is in the box. Or the hand is inside the box. The hand is inside the box. Right now, I'll place it in front of the box. So, the hand is in front of the box. It lays before the box. Okay, now I want to switch places. So I'm gonna place it right next to the box. So right now, the hand is next to the box. Or you can say the hand is by the box. It just lays there. It is by the box. Right now, I wanna switch it again. And I wanna place it right under the box. So the hand is under the box right now. In other words, you can say the hand is below the box. The hand is below the box. Also, right now, the hand is between the box and the table. It is between the box and the table. I can't handle it anymore. I just want to place it on the box. So now I have this arm on the box. It's on top of the box. Okay, I've had enough time with this hand. I want to place it back inside the box. And I'm placing it back inside the box. Okay, and that's it. That's what I wanted to discuss with you about the prepositions of place. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to know more, check and install our Ewa app. There is so much more in there. And thank you for watching, and Valar Morgulis.
Do you mind if I join you?
No! Is this seat taken?
You have no sense of humor. Good thing you're pretty.
Mom, I love you. Bye.